how to delete your Alibaba account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, in your laptop or in your device, open up any web browser that you prefer and just type in alibaba.com in your search bar. After that will take you to official web page of Alibaba and it will ask you to log in. Log into your account. Now once you're logged in and you land in this home page, now you have to navigate to the profile icon from the top right corner. Hover your mouse over there. Now from this drop down box, click on your account. Now once you get into your account, navigate to this interface under personal information. There you'll find an option as member profile. Click on it. Now in this page that says edit member profile, there you will have an option as deactivate account. Click on it. That's going to take you to next page. Now, before you deactivate account, there is a note given to you. Make sure to read this note. It says you will lose access to your aliexpress.com account. You won't be able to place new order or open an official dispute. You will lose all of your contacts and messages on alibaba.com and aliexpress.com. Your subscription and setting will be removed. Your user profile will be deleted and you will not be able to manage your account information. So after you go to this note and if you are confirmed to delete your account, scroll down a bit and you have to enter your member ID or email associated with your account. So type in that. And under that you have to type in the following words as displayed in this interface that says deactivate my account. So type in that in this text box. And under that you have to enter your reason. You can choose anyone from here, or if you have some specific reasons, you can type in this text box. After that, click on Deactivate My Account. Now, if you are sure to delete your account, click on OK. And with that, your Alibaba account is now deleted. So that's how you delete your Alibaba account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.